Hi, it's Ben from the Digistorm CSN team here, and today I'm showing you how to use activity types in Funnel so that you can keep accurate records for all of your interactions and get even more out of your reporting. You can define your own activity types in Funnel, but we set you up with some common activity types, such as emails, phone calls, and tours to get you started. Once you've logged into your Funnel account, find the student whose parents you had an interaction with and go to their profile page. On the right side, underneath the stages, you'll see 3 tabs: New Note, Create Task, and Log Activity. Click on Log Activity. Choose the type of interaction you've had, then set the date and time that interaction occurred. While you're here, tag the guardian you had the interaction with and add some notes for future reference. Finally, you can also add a follow-up task if you would like to be reminded about the interaction. You can always refer back to your activities at any stage and filter all your leads by the type of interaction you've had with them. This means that you can now run reports on everything from phone calls to private tours. If you need any more help, give us a call.